Hey, welcome. You probably found this video by searching what is ClickFunnels, and today I'm going to show you exactly what ClickFunnels is. Stay tuned. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out.
All right, so this is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a funnel software. It's for landing pages and following up with drip campaigns, and it's a fully immersive customer experience online. They are really the industry leaders in funnel software and landing page software. So a landing page, a sales page, collect the money, an upsell, and then deliver the digital product. So Russell Brunson, this guy here, is the founder of ClickFunnels, and they're really good at training. They're really good at success with their client base, and trying to train you on how to use ClickFunnels, and not just how to use ClickFunnels, but funnel methodologies and theories, and understanding buyers' intentions and things like that, and positioning your website and your sales funnels to succeed. So there's a lot of different trainings. Actually, when you sign up, there's an upsell for an advanced training course that you can take. I highly recommend ClickFunnels. There's a lot of data that shows that their funnel software is definitely the best. I do believe, at least at this point, that I'm recording this in 2020. So go over to their website, check that out. There's a link in the description, actually, so you can just follow that. Go and put your email in. They send you a free shirt. So again, check the link in the description and follow that over and set it up. So in the near future, I do plan to actually do a more immersive training on how to set up ClickFunnels and go into kind of getting your first campaigns all set up. When that's done, I'll put that in the description also.
Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.